Hello and welcome to Alice's Garden Plate. I hope the garden community by sharing my knowledge on garden planting, preserving methods, and recipes, which helps to eliminate the overwhelm. In today's episode, I'm going to be discussing my tortoise play pen and how to plant it and take care of it for them. I used a little rake and pulled out all of the dead material. Tortoise play pen is all done organically. And the only fertilizer that I will use is spent coffee grounds or back guano. So that's why I like to use the soil by Happy Frog, because it's all organic on the OMRI listing, so it's good stuff, high quality. And I also like that they use back guano. I will put a thin layer down of the soil. Then I have my seed varieties, mustard greens, kale, other dark red lettuces that the boys absolutely love. I will put them all together and just shake. There is no spacing requirement here, just depth matters, and that's why I put another layer of the soil on top. And then I will water very thoroughly on top to make sure it is saturated. Hermit tortoises are actually grassland tortoises over in the Mediterranean. That's why I allow it to naturally grow. Here's Mr. Mochina and a fully planted box, what it looks like. If you enjoyed today's episode, click that like button so therefore the algorithm will work in your favor. By subscribing to the channel, you'll be notified of new content. Thanks for viewing.